and our next task is to take this fuse or relay box away. It opens so that there are these sides, and when we use our innovative skills and screwdriver, we can open this cap. But this is really German Stuffelstaffen. I don't know that who is the engineer who has been innovated that part. Two sides lock, really difficult to open, but when we work hard we can take this cover away, and we can see these cables in here, these cables, and we have to take these cables in another position. And these are really big electric cables in engine area, and now we have to carefully pull out these gaskets. In that way they open nicely, and all of these, they have own special place. But now when they are loosened, this is good in that way. And now we can also, we have to now open plus cable in that area. Next part is that we have to take this plus cable's cover out. It opens easily, and there is 13mm bolt what we need to next open in here. Okay, and this is really special 13mm bolt. And now I open, and we have to remove this bolt in that area, and note that it is like lock bolt. Okay, and now this bolt is loosened, and I rotate that little bit, and then I take this cable away and I install this bolt back in here. Now it's in position. Good. And now this start motor cable, it is free, and this is like connected in here. Now it's free, and these cables, we can move these cables a little bit far away in here. Okay, and next we disconnect these areas, intake manifold areas, all electric cables, and let's go to look these cables closer. And here we can see this is air sensor cable, and press side area and carefully I pull out. There is press, and now it opens. I press the central area, and then there is small sensor, air sensor, small flathead screwdriver, and carefully I bend this little bit up, and then I move this cable away. Be carefully, because these parts in here, they are plastic, and these plastic parts goes broken very easily. But if you, and then we move this cable a little bit far away, and if these parts goes broken, you can purchase this whole element in the nearest BMW center. Next cable what we need to install is this fuel tank, these gases hose, this part. Now it opens. This is like free. Good. We can go forward.